Welcome back. In this chapter we are going to draw. We're going to build a drawing app in which we can draw. So it's going to be quite an advanced application in many situations. So we're going to use Vue quite a bit. So we have used views because a button is a view, or pretty much everything that you can see on the screen is a view. But now we're going to use the Vue class to manipulate it, to draw on it, to use different colors to draw on it. We are going to see how to create a super customized UI. So we're going to really customize our UI to its fullest. We're going to see how we can import images to display them in the application, how to export images based on what we have drawn, because once we are done drawing, we of course want to be able to share it, right? So this is also going to be a feature that we're going to build. We're going to use snack bars instead of toast, because we have used toasts already quite a bit, but snack bars are a little more visible, so to speak, right? They stay there for a little longer, they're a little more readable. And then we're going to use async task, which is super powerful and useful when it comes to doing something in the background. And we're going to do stuff in the background, such as importing or exporting images. And we will need the async task later on whenever we do something with, for example, the internet. So when we load data from the internet, or we upload data to the internet and so forth. So it's going to be super important to look into that, and we're going to reuse it quite a bit in the future. And then we are going to create our very own progress dialog, which we will reuse quite a bit throughout the course. All right, so I'd say let's get started with this pretty cool application. It's going to be a little more advanced, be prepared, but at the end you will be ready and you will have another cool app that you can use as a reference, that you can share with your friends, and of course also use for yourself or use for your nephew or daughter or son or whatever, because my daughter likes to use the application actually, even though it's not perfect. It's not as good as highly advanced and finished applications on the store, but it still does the job, right? All right, so I hope you enjoyed this chapter. It's another pretty cool chapter for you. And even if you might struggle with some of the parts and something might not click directly, no worries. The things that are important will come back. They will be used once again, and I will explain them from another angle once again. So if something is difficult at this point, no worries, just work yourself through it. Maybe you want to read a little bit about it on the internet if something doesn't make any sense for you. But other than that, just go to the next video, work through it, and then you will get there eventually. All right, so see you in the next video. Let's get started.